How to buy Geek, the GIGAGEEK token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check Derek's account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on the Deek screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. And this token is increased by 104,000% in the last 24 hours. This token, their liquidity unlocked by 100%. That means your investment in the safe place. This token is came under the Solana network, and the best choice to buy this kind of token that came under Solana network, it's by using the Phantom wallet. Now click here to copy the token address, open your Phantom wallet, click on swap, and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. And now click here and paste the token address as you can see. Now select the token. And after that, type here how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is how much you will receive that token. In the provider, just select one of these, for example, OKX. Make sure you read all of that information. And after that, you click on swap and you will be redirected to OKX page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issues, just go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it. And after that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Geek token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.